If YouTube suddenly stopped recommending your videos, it's usually not random. It's because of one signal. I didn't understand this at first either. A lot of small creators feel this at some point. One day you get impressions, then suddenly nothing. It feels like YouTube stopped pushing your channel. But most of the time, YouTube didn't stop, it just got confused. Every video teaches the system who your content is for. When that signal changes too often, recommendations slow down. I used to think the fix was uploading more or changing everything, but that usually makes it worse. What actually helps is going back to clarity. Same topic, same audience, same style. When YouTube understands who should enjoy your videos, it can test them again. That's what I'm focusing on right now. Clarity before scale. If you've ever felt like your views suddenly dropped, you're not alone. Stick around, we're figuring this out step by step.